In this guide, we'll show you how to install the luxury basket strainer step by step by Stylish. Let's begin by identifying the parts included in the box. Tailpipe, outer basket, strainer lid, strainer basket, strainer body, tailpipe nut, tailpipe gasket, rubber gasket, basket nut, and foam gasket. Take the strainer body and insert it through the 3.5 inches hole in the kitchen sink from above. From underneath the sink, align the exterior part of the strainer body along with its gasket into place. Once the body and gasket are in place, fasten the mounting nut to lock the strainer. Use a channel lock wrench to tighten it securely if needed. Install the tailpipe, ensuring it has a gasket at the joint to prevent leaks. Use a channel lock wrench to tighten it firmly. The tailpipe connects to the trap adapter. These parts are not included as they are part of your home's existing plumbing system. Place the strainer basket inside the body and cover it with the strainer lid. And that's it. You've now successfully installed the ST-03 luxury basket strainer.